construction. I'm going to try to just power through how screwed up this damn hood is. From the oxidation, you saw the comparison on some of the footage I've already taken. But instantly, you already have some clarity in this paint, man. Instantly. It's amazing. Wait till you see this, these palms or, you know, some of these reflections come out on this. Whoa, look at that. Okay. Okay, it's looking good. I'm not going to go all infomercial whoa and wow on everyone. But here we go. Now I'm really starting to polish up 007. Alright, this is 007 E46. Just picked it up a few weeks ago. California, out of Calabasas. What is that? West of Calabasas, desert parked under trees, desert trees you could say. Yeah, lots of acid marks that have dug in to the clear coat. Mind you, this is a repaint. So I'm evening it out with what I've already done. I'm trying to see how many coats